Foods to help boost your sex life. Having a healthy sex drive is linked to feeling physically and emotionally healthy. So it's no surprise that food can play a role in helping you get your groove back. If you've hit a slump in the bedroom, it may be time to take a closer look at your diet. These 7 foods are packed with nutrients that can perk up your libido and may improve your overall health. 2. Meat. 1. Meat. Food and sex. Include a variety of meats in your diet to improve your sex life. Beef, chicken, and pork contain carnitine, L-arginine, and zinc. Carnitine and L-arginine are amino acids that improve blood flow. Uninterrupted blood flow is crucial to sexual response in both men and women. According to NYU Langone Medical Center, these 2 nutrients may effectively treat erectile dysfunction in some men. Serve up some animal-based protein, in moderation, to avoid increasing risk of heart disease, to help keep all systems running smoothly in the bedroom. Vegetarians can opt for whole grains, nuts, and dairy products. Oysters. 2. Oysters. Sex and food. You've probably heard about the aphrodisiac properties of oysters. Research shared at a 2005 conference of the American Chemical Society that oysters, clams, and scallops contain compounds that raise testosterone and estrogen levels. A boost in hormone production translates into heightened sexual desire in many cases. Oysters are also an excellent source of zinc, which aids blood flow to sexual organs in both genders. Don't care for mollusks? Feast on lobster or crab instead. Both types of shellfish are loaded with zinc. Salmon. 3. Salmon. Sex and food. Salmon is well known for having heart-healthy omega-3 fatty acids. The pink-fleshed fish, as well as tuna and halibut, might be the key to enhancing your sex life. Omega-3s help prevent the buildup of plaque in your arteries, thus improving blood flow throughout your body. A diet of fatty fish may not be a love potion for guys who are at risk for high-grade prostate cancer, however. Studies published in the American Journal of Epidemiology suggest that omega-3 fatty acids could increase risk for an aggressive form of the disease. Low-grade, slow-moving prostate cancer is not affected by eating foods rich in omega-3s. Nuts and seeds. 4. Nuts and seeds. Sex and food. Showering your beloved with chocolates is a romantic gesture, but it won't necessarily take them to new heights in the bedroom. Instead of candy, snack on a handful of nuts and seeds. Cashews and almonds are chock full of zinc, while a host of healthy snacks contain L-arginine to get your blood flowing. Try the following. Walnuts. Pumpkin seeds. Sunflower seeds. Pecans. Hazelnuts. Peanuts. Walnuts are doubly helpful in the love department, as they are also rich in omega-3s. Apples. 5. Apples. Sex and food. An apple a day keeps the doctor away, and it could also improve your love life. Apples, along with berries, cherries, onions, and dark-colored grapes, are rich in quercetin. This antioxidant, a type of flavonoid, may offer a number of health benefits. As far as sex goes, quercetin plays a role in controlling symptoms of prostatitis and interstitial cystitis, IC, and it promotes circulation. Prostatitis is the inflammation of the prostate gland. It sometimes causes testicular discomfort and pain with ejaculation. IC, or painful bladder syndrome, may also make sex difficult for men and women. Sexual-related symptoms of IC include genital pain, erectile dysfunction, painful intercourse, and low desire. Garlic. 6. Garlic. Sex and food. Your mother might have warned you never to eat garlic before a date. This is one piece of advice you can ignore. The pungent herb is a natural blood thinner often used to prevent high blood pressure, high cholesterol, and heart disease. The anticoagulant properties help ensure plenty of blood flow to your nether regions. You and your partner can both benefit from a healthy dose of garlic before an amorous evening. If you're both eating it, nobody will mind the strong breath. Red wine. 7. Red wine. Sex and food. This one seems pretty obvious. A glass of red wine may help ladies get in the mood. Research published in the Journal of Sexual Medicine showed that 1 to 2 glasses of red wine a day increased sexual desire and lubrication in women. Red wine contains quercetin, which might account for the positive response. Researchers noted that drinking more than 2 glasses of red wine daily or indulging in other types of alcoholic beverages didn't produce the same results. Bottom line. Bottom line. While certain foods can keep your blood pumping and boost hormone levels, diet alone isn't always enough to improve your sex life. Speak to your doctor if lack of desire, pain during intercourse, or impotence is holding you back from enjoying an intimate relationship with your partner.